What's up, YouTube? MX Dude here. So, it's time to tune the Scrambler 850. Ordered a nice Dyno Jet programmer, nice power vision with an RVS Stage 3 tune. Hopefully, she's gonna gain a bit of horsepower and make that puppy go a little bit faster. Anyway, you need to locate your diagnostic port. It's on the Scrambler 850. It's right in the front, right here, somewhere in that area, on the right of the bike. So first thing first, take your nice little plug. Plug it. All right. Put that thing on. Put it on the on position, and it's gonna open. Oh, wrong side. All right. Ready to flash. Go back. Push the enter. Flash tune. So as we can, I'm not sure if we can see. So I got the stage 3 RVS tune. Here we go. Now we can see it. Stage 3 RVS tune, and the other one is the stock one. You gotta download the stock one off your bike before you actually install the stage 3 and send it to Ryan at RVS. Anyway, it only took a few hours for him to do it and send it back. Anyway, let's play reflash. Okay, and reflash EQ. Come on. Here we go. Hopefully it won't take too much time. Yeah, it's going pretty quick. Yeah, it's going pretty quick. And I'm gonna light a little joint, by the way, so the time's gonna pass a little bit quicker. Already at 29, 30. Oh shit! Pretty freaking quick. Yep. And when you guys do that, hopefully you guys got a good battery. Mine's actually, she's junk. Bike won't probably start after that, but I got a jump starter. I need to buy a new battery. Yeah, I need a new battery. Here we go. It's writing the EQ. It's installing the stage 3 tune. Alright, so supposedly it's done. So let's say flash complete, verify flash, turn key off, then on. So we're gonna close the key. I'm gonna wait a few seconds. Put it back on. There we go. Oh, battery. She's low. Anyway. Anyway, I think that's it. Pretty easy. I'll be doing a video on it. Actually, I'm gonna try to start it. Nah, battery's junk. Gotta go get a jump pack. Anyway, that's about it. See you on the next one. Peace out.